Okay, so I've done a test run of the Uuni Pro using charcoal and wood so far. I think I'm ready to try some more advanced recipes. So I'm ready to use the Uuni Pro again today, but what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do a traditional Neapolitan style pizza and something I tried in New Haven, Connecticut, which was delicious, which is a mashed potato pizza. So that's going to be a treat. And let's just see what happens for the third, okay? Let's get started. Okay, pizza number 3. I think we'll just do like a regular traditional white pie. Okay, let's dust that peel. There you go. Thanks for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Check out below where I have a link to my blog where I have more recipes, tips, and reviews. Thanks again.